Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the HTML elements. So let me just define you that what is the element in HTML. HTML element is defined by start tag, some content and then end tag. Alright, and this is how it looks. You have to start with the tag name, then it must have some content, then ends with the tag name. Alright, so let me just show you how an element look like. Okay, we have opened our atom text editor. Now let me just write some code here. Okay, now we have to write the HTML tag. Okay, now you can see here we have the starting tag of the HTML and also the ending tag of the HTML. Okay, so whatever I write in between these two tags will be the content of HTML tag. Okay, so as a whole I would consider this thing as an element. Okay, if I just write the head here, now this would be considered as the content of HTML element. And if I just write title tag within the head tag, alright, here's some content. This is my title. So the title, starting point of the title tag and the ending point of the title tag and some content between them, this is an element. Head is a kind of element. An element within an element is known as nested element. Okay, so we know that we have an HTML element, and within an HTML element we have the head element, and within the head element we have the title element. So this is called the nested element. Alright, now I just want to add the body element to my HTML element. Alright, so body, and in body I just want to write h1 element, heading element. Alright, so here is the content of the h1 element, this is the heading. There are also the elements which we call the empty elements, and in empty elements there is no content and there is no end tag. Okay, the one good example of the empty element is the br. Okay, so what does the br do? It adds a line break to your content. I just wanted to use it with the paragraph, so let me just write the paragraph here. Okay, so we have completed our file, so let me just save this thing and run this thing. Alright, okay, now let's just open the HTML document and have a look at our web page. This is a headline and this is the paragraph with the line break. Alright, and the title elements add the title to your tab bar. So that's the use of the title element. Okay, this is for heading and this is for the paragraph, and this is how the elements work, and this is what the elements are all about in HTML. If you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.